What's going on, you guys? Bryce McKinley, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I'm often asked, hey Bryce, how do I know when I'm going to take my business to the next level? How or what should I be looking for when I need to scale it out, when I need to go on to that next level, right? So in this video, I want to share with you 5 signs that you should be looking for or that will be glaring at you. And by the end of the video, you should know, hey, this is happening. I need to take my business to the next level. So come with me.
If you don't know Bryce, he's crushing it. He's doing over 50 wholesale deals a month.
So I'm often asked, hey Bryce, how do you know when it's time to scale out? How do you know, or when do you know if it's ready to go to the next level? Your business, that is, right? Like, how do you know when your business is at B or C and you need to go to D, E, or F? How do you know your business is ready to go to the next level? I've got 5 signs that I look for, and I hope that these help you. Number 1, when your existing business is breaking. That's right. When your existing business is breaking systems, metrics, and or people, you should also be looking at whether or not you're ready to scale. What do I mean by that? Well, you see, I can tell you a time when my business was just me, and I needed someone to come in and help. I didn't know what to look for, so I looked at these signs that I'm giving you, and the first thing that I noticed that was breaking was I was running late to appointments. I was missing appointments, forgetting to schedule them out. So just as an example, the breaking point for me was I was getting overwhelmed with tasks and responsibilities, and I needed to offload some of those. And so my key indicator was, what tasks can I delegate? And what responsibilities do I need to hold on to? And so number 1 thing that you should be looking for is where and what part of your systems are breaking and what part of the task are you able to outsource or delegate. And if that's something that you see in your business, you're probably definitely ready to start scaling it out. Number 2, you're happy with your current revenue model, or you're confident that your current revenue model is an existing and consistent revenue model that will take you to the next level. You know your numbers, right? You know that if you put this much output in, you'll have this much input coming back. As far as that revenue model goes, if you know your numbers and you see that you've started to plateau or level off, you're probably in a good position to start scaling, start building your team and going to the next level. Number 3 is probably one of the most important parts of your business, because if you're going to start scaling, you're going to hurt some feelings. You might step on some toes and you may overwhelm some of the team members that you do have already. And so number 3 is vitally important to me, and it should be for you. And that is knowing that you have a strong core team. I've got 30 some odd employees, but there's only 4, maybe 5 that I know and trust wholeheartedly when we go to scale to the next level, that they're going to be with me, ride or die. Those are the people that you're looking for. Those are the team members and the team players, that core team. When you know that you have a solid group of people that's inside of the organization, the sky's the limit, right? You're probably ready to scale out. Those ride or dies, those core team members that you can trust and depend on, that are willing to take out the trash, clean the toilets, or maybe do something that they wouldn't normally do and go above and beyond. When you have 4 or 5 or 10, or maybe you're at that 100 mark, right? And you want to go to 200 employees, you better have 40 or 50 of those that are willing to ride or die with you no matter what. It's all about that core team. When you surely know that you have a competent core persons or team, you're probably ready to go to the next level. Number 4, you're profitable. And not only are you profitable, but you have a plan. If you're profitable and you have a plan moving forward, you're probably ready to scale. I can tell you a time when I left a previous business partnership and I didn't know which way from Sunday I was going. And it got overwhelming. And as I started to build a new business, I had to look at my profit margins. Like, how much am I investing back into my business? How much am I investing back into my people? How much am I investing into my team members and marketing and different tools and systems that we were using, right? And as I was putting this list together for you, the one thing that kept glaring out at me was having a proven profitable margin as well as a plan that's remained profitable. When you have that, you're probably on track and ready to scale or go to the next level. Last but surely not least, number 5. Number 5 is a little different than what most people think when they're thinking, am I ready to scale a business? And that is this. It's your company ethos. It's more than just a mission statement or a purpose statement on the wall. Your company ethos is like, what does the culture look like? Are they willing to ride or die with me? What does it look like when the crap hits the fan? The way that your company operates and integrates all of the different things that they have as far as their daily tasks go and so forth, it's just a way of doing business, right? And so if you can figure out a way to do business that everybody is always on the same track, even when there's communication issues, you just know we're in it to win it. We're in it for the long haul. We're going to have disappointments. We're going to have disagreements. But when you have a company ethos that says we're in it for the long haul, being more than just a mission statement or a purpose statement in your business, and actually having that camaraderie and culture in which your business is going to thrive no matter what you have to say with it, that's probably the best time to know you're ready to scale. I hope this helps you guys. God bless. Stay sharp. I'll see you at the top. Hey guys, Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I want to personally thank you for watching these videos. You see, you might want to subscribe to this channel, and I'm not just saying that to get more followers, but the knowledge that I drop, I guarantee you won't get anywhere else. You see, the information that I give is not just the fluff that every other puru, screw and guru talks about. You might want to stay alert for what's happening next. So, subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep you posted. You're not going to want to miss what I drop on this channel.